wabarakatuh, Kira TV. Kalian sudah lihat sekarang ini rumah saya yang di Australia. Saya udah lama banget nggak ngevlog karena capek banget. Jadi lagi bener-bener totally istirahat. Dan kebetulan 2 minggu yang lalu barang-barang yang pengiriman dari Korea, semua furniture saya udah nyampe seperti ini. Nih udah nyampe, udah kembali ke habitatnya. Itu juga, tapi ada juga sih yang jadi barang-barang box-boxnya itu kan terlalu banyak, jadi nggak semua yang aku unpacking. Ini alhamdulillah udah pada lumayan sih ya, tapi masih yang berantakan gitu deh. Karena di garasi aku tuh masih banyak box, itu full banget, full box. Seperti ini nih. Ini masih di sini. Belum tak unboxing. Pelan-pelan aja deh, nyicil. Karena yang aku unbox ini tuh kayak barang-barang yang bener-bener kita butuhin aja gitu loh. Kayak anak-anak mainan anak-anak masih aku taruh belum aku unboxing karena bakalan jadi kapal pecah nih rumah, nggak bisa bersih ya nggak sih. Dan juga anak-anak di atas, jadi rumahku 2 lantai. Terus apa? Nah, ya aku juga lagi tunggu anakku si Karlie mau datang. Katanya dia ada sesuatu buat adik-adiknya. Udah kita tungguin ya. Dia kasih surprise apa? Oke. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo.
Hello, my fans.
Hayo. My fans.
My fans now.
Oh,
Getting better.
yes. Oh
How
my
are you?
gosh.
I'm
Oh.
good. I'm good.
I like that.
Yes. How are you, James?
Very nice. Where are you?
Your surprise here. Your surprise here. Your surprise. Come here, baby. Come. Baby, come here. Your surprise.
Surprise you.
My eyes are intact, so that's good.
Close your eyes.
It's always good.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
How'd you guys get up for that?
Remember how Baba lost your ball when we were playing cricket?
Another karaoke.
Found it. Kaka got you a new one.
We sort of tried to mess on the rock.
We have more.
We have more.
There's more.
But it's not gonna be better than
Guess what we got you?
Do you like it? Do you like it?
We were all finished like that.
Come, baby.
Now that I have Kaka, I'm never
Hey, Kaka, have another surprise for you,
I have another
Keisha.
surprise for you guys.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be better than
Oh.
this one.
This one.
What?
Trampolines?
Yes! No! You
No, you have to say it. You can't say it. Anyway.
It's too late now.
Yeah, it's too late.
I didn't say it was a
I
trampoline.
knew it! I was
I
like,
know.
oh, it's outdoor. Of course it's gonna be a trampoline.
Hey, what's wrong with your teeth?
I'm just so excited! Oh my God!
We have to put it together first.
Can
Yeah.
I help you?
Sure.
Okay, let's go, girl.
Where's Baba?
Champions.
So how's the surprise?
You didn't say 2 people, and I thought
You already guessed one surprise. That's why I say like, no, just wait. Right?
I was like, oh, of course it's gonna be a trampoline because we always wanted to have a trampoline in our house, in a yard, for like 3 to 1 years, but we didn't have enough space because we were like in an apartment, like. So I'm
It's
really
been a long
happy.
time. This is what you want.
Yeah.
Trampoline.
Yeah.
And your sister bring
And
it for you.
sisters.
You need more
and
muscles.
brothers.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Good job, baby.
Is there like a, where do you want us to put the trampoline?
At the back and the side. That one.
That side.
That side. Okay, I think you can go through here.
Do you have any, what's it called? Okay.
Yeah, you can through.
Ditties, that's it.
I think it's open too.
We have 2 hours a day, Lloyd.
Yep. Do you guys have a spanner in the garage? Oh, that's cool.
Oh my
Okay, you're supposed to jump over this again.
Let's go.
Jump it. Oh, never mind. I have to jump it. You ready,
My
guys?
knees.
I'm gonna jump it.
Hayo. Let's go, Keisha.
Just take it!
Yeah. Can you go get Babang, please? Let's go.
I'm gonna go get Babang.
Okay.
What if you're a little further? The short people don't have to do work. That's the moral of the story.
No, it isn't.
Doesn't seem to work for me though.
Jason, come out. What he's doing? Huh?
He's peeing.
Oh, oops.
You have to build.
Wow, you have your muscle, honey.
Best day ever!
I'm already stronger than you. What are you talking about?
Go on, Granite. Go, go, Sexy Granite.
Yeah. Jason,
Yeah?
Jason, you have to grab something in the car and bring it. Yeah. Keisha, come here. Come on, my baby love. Okay, just go grab that.
There's a
It's
fishing
okay.
rod in there.
Right.
What's the fishing rod for?
For fishing.
You guys are gonna go fishing?
No. We have a trampoline. We brought you a trampoline.
Be careful, Jace. Be careful. That's
And like pets for life, you know, like the thing that they can talk. La 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 la. Yeah. Dogs that can talk.
but you have to be Mr. Doolittle.
Right, I'm going to come back in an hour and have a look.
yeah, yeah, Dad. No worries. No worries, Granddad.
Exciting, Mommy!
You're so exciting.
Yep, I'm so excited, guys.
Wow, you're gonna deadlift.
And after we build it, James is gonna do a backflip or a front flip. I don't know.
What? Okay, let's how
Whoa!
we do the trampoline, and we do.
Strong.
I don't know how to build a trampoline.
Meanwhile, hours later.
Nih, ada center. Kelihatan nggak sih itu anak-anak lagi ngapain? Akhirnya trampolinnya gede banget.
Oh my god! I like just running around.
Ini saking gelapnya nggak bisa ngelihat nih anak-anak. Ada.
Kasihan.
Anyway, kita lihat trampolinnya besok sebesar apa. Ini dia bentuknya. Kita lihat dari sini.
Stand up.
Go baby, go baby, go.
To everyone, it's okay.
Get the 24 chicken nuggets for $10 at KFC.
Okay, I have something for Kakak. Yeah, it's for Kakak.
What is it?
Day 2.
should be.
Really, you have to show in here? You don't have to wear it here.
I'm not gonna wear it. I just want to check the size.
Okay.
Oh.
Can I wear them?
Hey.
No, is it me?
Oh my god.
They were super expensive, Daddy said.
Whoa.
Look at all the haters.
Okay. Oh, thank
Do
you.
you like it?
They're so beautiful.
It's worth it to wait, right?
Yes, it was worth the wait. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. They're beautiful. This is the white thing. You gotta go see thing on the
Yes, Alex.
This is so
You
nice.
know the best surprise that I ever Thank you. The best is when you guys go. That's the best
I'm super
surprise.
sweaty. Thank you, Daddy.
One of these.
The best surprise is that Karlie got comments. Your mind is changing.
Hey, Jace, can you
Pancake, why are you so sweaty? Where?
Sorry?
Pancake, you're really sweaty.
And that's a wrap.
So we're gonna see the trampoline. Thank you for trampoline, James and Karlie.
Yeah, we
You like it, Kira? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We got
Get
it.
some KFC.
We got it, and we thought like immediately we're gonna put it in your house. Like we have nowhere to put it, so we're gonna give it to my
I want to
siblings.
see your foot.
Put it in the living room there.
Okay.
I'll record you.
No, I can record myself.
Thank you, bye. Let's blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm not gonna be there again.
And cut. All right. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Terima kasih semuanya. We just finished building the trampoline, and it is night time. And we started when the sun was still up. But yeah.
If you did, smash that like button, and if you really like this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.
I think you said like twice, but yeah, double like it because we're awesome. All right, Baba? Exactly.
Yeah!
All right, well, we'll see you guys tomorrow when the kids can actually jump on the trampoline and you can see it. But right now, we're gonna go get KFC because we deserved it.
Yeah.
I think all dark for you guys.
So,
It is really dark. Did somebody say KFC?
I don't care!
Thank you. That's what I was waiting. Yeah.
Give us free KFC.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. If you did,
You did what?
hit like,